Hello students of class 9th. Let's start our study English. So today's poem A Legend of the Northland by Phoebe Carey. A legend means it is a traditional story, an old story of Northland. Northland means near to Antarctica, means near to poles, those cold areas. Okay. You know, students, mercy is the greatest quality of human beings. We should be merciful upon all the creatures in the universe. Okay? And this poem is also based on that. The story is about an old lady who was lived in Netherland, their Northland, and she was very greedy, means having greed. Once Saint Peter was wandering in all over the world, and after that by the preaching, means he was preaching that time, and he reached at the door of that old lady, and due to wandered here and there the whole day, he was become totally tired and hungered also. Then means he had decided to take shelter at her door. During that time she was making the means flour cakes, means chapatis, bread she was making there that time. And Saint Peter has also asked a bread for it. Then this whatever lady was making, she has decided to give, and she thought for him make smaller than that, and she had taken a few of flour and she had made its a cake. That time that cake, that chapati also looks for her means bigger. She had taken another piece of flour and she had made another bread that looks same also. Then she had decided to take very short piece of that flour, and she had taken and make it like the vapor, means very thin in sheets. It's unable to make pieces. She had made it. She had cooked that, baked on means fire, and after that when she was going to give, it seems bigger also. Then she had told also, when she used to eat those breads, it seems very small for her. But when she means going to give it to another person, that time it seems very big. So, because she was very selfish lady, she was unable to give any single means bread to Saint Peter, and she had collected those all and kept in safes. Okay. After that, Saint Peter was seeing this incident and he become much more angry. And due to angerness, because he was hungry, he had given curse to that lady. And he has said also, you are not deserved to alive like the form of human beings. Even God have given all the comfortable things, warmth, clothes, shelter, food for eating, but you lady not deserve to use these things. मीन्स इतनी सारी चीज़ें भगवान ने तुमको दी है, लेकिन तुम इसका उपभोग करने के लायक नहीं हो, because you have no that great quality of mercy, pity. You should be pitiable on the creatures and needy persons. You have to help if you are human beings. And after the curse of Peter, when lady went there by the way of chimney, there where a woodpecker flew from there, and that lady become changed into form of woodpecker. Okay. And Saint Peter also said that go in forest and eat those woods. Okay, and you are deserved to that. In this way, this means legend is if not true, but we are getting the lesson from this. Means the moral of this poem is that we should be pitiable and merciful upon the all creatures of the world, and it is the greatest quality of we human beings, and particularly in women's this quality should be. Mercy is the greatest quality of human beings. It should be in humans and particularly in women's, because all the things and food items into the hand of them. So they should feed the hunger persons and they should be pitiable on those needy persons. Okay, in this way, means when Saint Peter had cursed that lady and said that to get its scanty food, and in this way, by this legend we are getting the lesson we should not be selfish and we should not be greedy. Greediness also is very worst quality of human beings. It decreases the human natures. Whatever in human nature, in human quality, greediness decrease it. Okay, so we should control over on our behavior and we should be pitiable. Thanks.